Well, good morning, Oliver. I see you're hanging out with all of your toys this morning. You're so cute. Hi, let's go get some coffee. It's adorable. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but my opening from yesterday, I love it. I don't know if you've watched it or not yet, but I hired a man through Fiverr, and someone had recommended to get some stuff done on there, and I found someone who was extremely talented, and it turns out that he's from Ukraine, and I had ordered a fast delivery, and so you paid a little extra for it, and then he contacted me saying his electricity he was having problems with, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I felt so bad. I said, don't worry about it, you know, get it to me when you can, and he actually got it back to me within like a couple of hours. But, and then afterward, he sent me all the files. He was only supposed to make me 3. He made me 5. Some of them are a little long, but I'm going to play all of them because they're so good. And one of them made me laugh. I haven't used that one yet. I just felt good helping, and there's a thing at the end. I haven't used Fiverr in a really, really, really long time for anything, and I ended up tipping him too because his work was amazing, and I felt good supporting someone who's actually dealing with all that stuff over in Ukraine. So if you get a chance, look at yesterday's video, and you'll see one of them. I think I used one the previous day too. There's 5 altogether, and I'm going to switch between all of them. So on that note, it is Monday. For you, it's a different day. But I'm going to go get day number 6 of coffee, and I'm really hoping it's flavored. So let's check that out. All right, day 6. Ooh, Pete's. I do like Pete's. And it is called Big Bang. And it's medium roast. Okay. My brother goes to Pete's out where he lives, and I've had it, and it's quite yummy. So let's hope this one is too. All right, different backdrop today. I've got some work to do. So let's try the coffee. Oh, it's got a lot of flavor. I think I might need a little bit more. No, maybe not. I put my normal cream and I did vanilla today. It's a little stronger than I'm used to, but it doesn't have that bitter taste at the end like the dark one did. So I'll hang out with this one, and now I'm going to get to work. Oh, we need to do the wine. Hello. It's Monday. Let's go check to see what wine we're opening for tonight. Ah, A6. Getting easier to find. Maybe this. It's a Spanish wine. Oh, it's a Grenache from Spain. All right, let's check out to see what we're supposed to pair it with. Okay, so this Grenache has flavors of berries and strawberries with a tobacco on the finish. I don't know if I'm gonna like the tobacco on the finish, but they're telling us to pair it with roast beef, cranberry sauce, roasted mushrooms, and stuffing with gravy. So like a Thanksgiving dinner. Now, we do have a turkey in the freezer, but it would take a few days to defrost. So I will consult with Chef Evan, and we will come up with something for tonight's pairing. So I found a recipe, and I'm here at Publix to pick up the few things that we need to make it that we don't have in the house. And yes, I am still one of those people that wears a mask because I have not gotten the icky thing yet, and I don't ever want it in my body. So I'm going to be safe. So I'm out running errands this morning. Had to go to the post office and thought I would stop by Starbucks for a breakfast sandwich. And today's coffee got cold, and it was really not good cold. So I wasn't even finished with it. So I just got this, which is the sugar cookie almond milk grande hot It's not that many calories, and let's taste it. Okay, that was really hot. Ha! Oh, that's actually tasty. It's one of their holiday drinks. It's good. All right, now I'm going back home to finish a pair of earrings that a client ordered that have to go out today. And I have a story to voice for a client in Bulgaria. So off I go. So since they mentioned cranberries, I did some research and we found a cranberry chicken recipe that has the cranberries, whole cranberries, and French dressing, and a package of the Lipton onion soup. I'm going to see what the cheese is, and then we're gonna go try everything together. So let's check the cheese. All right, let's see what they paired. Oh no, it's black pepper. This could be a hit or miss for me, black pepper. All right. Okay, first, the wine. It's dry. You're gonna like it more than me. That's probably why they paired it with the black pepper. You like it? He does like it, yeah. Not my favorite cheese, but I know why they did the black pepper, I think. Much better with the cheese, but still not my ultimate favorite. Last night, so it's better. What do you think?
I really don't taste the pepper much in the cheese.
I do. Now I'm gonna try it with their meal, which is that cranberry chicken. It's actually a very interesting sauce. Okay, you need to try that sauce with this wine. It's extremely good with the sauce. I don't know if I would personally make this meal again. It's not horrible, but I don't know. There's something with the French and the cranberry that's weird to me, but it does go good with the wine. What do you think? All right, so what do you give this wine on the scale of 1 to 10?
7.
I'm gonna give it a 6, but only because I don't like dry wine. So
you're very hard on the wine.
I know, I am hard on the wines. All right, we're going to enjoy our meal, and I will come back for this evening's chocolate. Oh, the countdown to happiness. Oh, this is a new one. So this is hazelnut with caramelized onions on top. 50-50 on the hazelnut. I don't know that I like the actual nuts though, so we'll see. It's good, but I would prefer it not to have nuts. I'm gonna go give this to Evan because I'm sure he's going to like it. Well, on that note, that ends day 6. I can't believe it's almost a full week already since starting this whole thing. This month is already flying by. Well, thank you for tuning into the wonderful world of Wendy. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. It helps the algorithm. And subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to help me reach my Christmas miracle and wish of 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And I'll see you tomorrow.